Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Welcome to the basement and welcome to today's beginner-friendly resistance band workout. Now, beginner-friendly meaning these are pretty easy exercises, but you can make them as difficult as easy depending obviously on the size of the band that you're going to be using. So it's completely up to you. You can make this very easy by using the red band throughout the entire workout or mixing it up with the purple, the black, and the green band for a couple of the exercises. We have 6 exercises. We're gonna go through them circuit style, so one right after the other. Then we're gonna take a break between the sets. We're gonna try to move this as quickly as possible. That's the whole point. Keep it in about 15 minutes or so and no more than that. So starting off with single shoulder presses. So grab your band. For me, it's the red band. Try to stack your shoulder all the way back as much as you can, so you're just pushing straight up, not forward, not behind you. Try to get as good shoulder flexion as you can. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, no clock. Let's go. Up, down, up, down. Keep going. We're doing one side at a time. Keep going. Keep it up. Let's do 5 more on this side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And switch feet, switch sides. Same thing on the other side. Straight into it. Ready? Let's go. Keep going. Come on. Nice beginner-friendly workout with these resistance bands. You got this. Keep moving. For some of you, this may be the bare minimum you should be doing. For some of you, it's gonna be a tough workout. Doesn't matter, you just wanna move a little bit every single day, so keep it up. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got the front of the shoulders taken care of. We're moving straight into hammer curls. I'm gonna switch bands, so there's a little break. Both feet. Hammer curls, and let's go. Up, down, up, up. If you need to choke up on the bend a little bit, maybe I will. Get a little more resistance. There we go. Now it's feeling better. Feels good. Keep it up. Let's do 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grab those bands, we keep moving. Kickbacks. These work much better with the band, as I mentioned in my previous video. Try to get as much extension on the band as you can, and just gonna kick back. Ready? Go. 1. Keep it up, keep it up. Come on. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. The resistance band works better on this because you have resistance right from the beginning of the movement. It's even better if the band is tied off on the other side somewhere. We're not doing a tie off today, so you try to extend that leg as much as you can to get resistance right here, right from the beginning. Then choke up on that band. Give yourself a challenging type of resistance. Ready? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Switch into the black band. Some side twists. You guys know I like doing twisting type of movements. Ready? Go. Get your full body into it. I don't want to use the shoulders. I want you to get full body into this twist. You got 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Switch sides. Switch sides. There we go. Ready? 1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. All right, moving right along. Purple band, single arm rows. I'm very partial to doing them this way. Grab your band, stand as far as apart as the band stretches. Grab it with single arm, and let's go. 1, 2, a little bit of a twist, full range of motion. Keep going. Pull up. Pull up. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4. 1 more. Switch arms, switch sides, and let's go. 1, 2, 1. Keep up. 2. Keep going. Keep going. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna stay with the purple at least for this first set, see how I feel for our single chest presses. Bend behind you, both the arms out, and then one at a time, boom. Nice and strong, pretend you're punching something. 1, 2, keep it up, keep going. This is the last set, last exercise of the first set, I should say, so keep moving. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more, and 6. Keep the sides even. And now we can take a little break. Let me look at my watch here. We are at 57 seconds, so another 57 seconds, we'll get going again. So that's set number 1. We're taking a minute break or so. We're going through this entire thing 2 more times. We're gonna try to keep moving as quick as we can. Working some muscles, getting some conditioning, and also very important, not just doing cardio, but conditioning those muscles all the way through the body. We're avoiding the lower body a little bit, and I can tell you guys why right now. I tweaked my Achilles a little bit, so not doing any lower body work. Hence, we're not doing burpees today. I know I promised some of you to do burpees in the next workout. Those will be coming up, but you have to give me a week or so, hopefully no more than that, to fully recover. So let's start getting ready for set number 2. So back to the single shoulder presses. We're moving right along. We're not wasting any time. You guys ready to go? About 10 seconds left or so, and we'll get going. Remember, keep those shoulders as far back as you can. 3, 2, 1, and up. Up, keep it up. Move quickly. Good extension. All the way up, all the way down. Control that bend. Don't let it force you that pull on the way down. I want you to control the bend. I want it controlling you. Let's go. Come on. 5 more. Ready? Then we switch sides. 2, 3. Keep it up. 4. 1 more. 5. Times are wasted. Let's switch sides. Other side, and let's go. Boom. Up. Up. I know I don't quite fit in the viewfinder, but you guys get the gist, right? My arm is going up and down, and it's pretty much hitting the ceiling. Keep it up, guys. Keep going. Ready for 5 more? Starting now. 1, 2. High energy. Come on. 3, 4, 5. Keep it right here. We're going hammer curls. Black band for me. Choke up, because it was a little easy last time. Ready? And let's go. Boom. Nice and steady. Control that band. Stretch it all the way. Full range of motion. Keep going. Beautiful. Not calling 5 yet. Not calling 5 yet. Let's push it a little harder. Ready? Now we can say 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switching bends. Kickbacks. Moving right along. Heart rate's rushing. Beautiful. I'm gonna actually switch it to the other foot so I get a little more extension on that bend. Remember, try to do as much as you can. 1. Keep it up. Keep going. When do we call 5? That's the big question, right? When is Paul gonna call 5? How about now? Ready? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Switching sides. Moving along. Ready? Choke up, and let's go. Boom. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep going. Keep moving with me. Ready? 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switching bends, black bend, side twists. I'm going left to right on the first set. Ready? And let's go. 1 full range of motion. Keep going. Keep going. Pull up. Don't be fearful. Don't be shameful. Let's go. 1, 2, come on. 3, quick. 4, quick. 5, quick. Switch sides as quickly as you can. And let's go on the other side. 1. 5 more. Ready? Come on with me. 1, 2, 3. Explode. Last one. Done. Purple bend. Single rows. Stand feet as far as they can go. Grab 1 or 2 bends, up to you, and pull. Pull. Brace that core. Pull. Pull. Lean into it a little bit. It's okay. Just want to yank up on that bend. Let's go. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch sides. Keep going. No reason to stop. We're moving right along. Nice quick workout, resistance band workout. Keep it up with me. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. I'm sticking with the same bend for our chest presses. Give it a little twist. Both arms out, and then 1 at a time. Punches. Boom. Deliberate. That's why I want you to be here. Punch. Punch. Hold it. Punch. And then an iso hold. Punch. Come on. Keep going. Keep moving. Keep moving. A little bit of a twist. And get in there. Ready? Let's do 6 more so we're even on each side. Ready? Starting now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and last 1, and 2. And relax. Let me take a look at my watch. We're taking another break for about a minute. That's 2 sets down. We have 1 set left, guys. We got this right now. Let's make it a tough one, right? Then we'll up the count a little bit. Because I'm not really counting until I start feeling good resistance. Then I call it 5 more. So let's do that. I'm going to get ready so we can get started on time. We are not starting yet, however, so you still have about 30 seconds or so, almost 40 seconds to grab that drink of water and get ready for the last set. How you guys doing? Give yourselves a hand. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're moving right along. Not wasting time to a little bit of conditioning work, beginner resistance band work, however you want to call it, whatever resistance you use, you call it, right? You can make it as hard as or as easy as you want this workout to be. Completely up to you. That's how I try to give you options all the time when I'm over here. Anyway, 10 seconds left, almost enough talking. Let's get ready for those shoulder presses for the 3rd and final time. We get started in 3, 2, 1. Press. Press. Keep going. Nice and deliberate movement. Boom. Shoulder as far back as you can. Get a little bit of flexibility. Starting to feel it. Starting to feel it. Almost ready to start the count. Almost there. Ready? Let's go. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch feet, switch sides. A little bit of a reprieve. Few seconds and then we get going. 1. Keep up. And no, I'm not counting yet. Not that lucky. Keep it up. Press up. Press up and control the bend all the way through the motion. Starting to burn. When should we call it? When should we call it? What do you guys think? How's it going? Keep going. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hammer curls. Grab your band. I'm going to try it with a purple band. Switch it up. Why not? The other one seemed a little bit easy. Last set. Let's make it a best set. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Oh yeah, here we go. Hammer. Control the other way. Control the negative. That's why I wanted to say I'm tired. I can't speak. Keep it up. Keep going. Push. push, push, and pull. I should say we're pulling. Ready? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way, and 5. Kickbacks. Kickbacks are always gonna stay with the red bend for me. That's never gonna change. They're already as pretty tough as it is. Just choke up a little bit, and let's go. Work those triceps, come on. This bend is slowly but surely untying my shoe over here. Keep it up, keep going. We'll get the count started soon, ready? Let's go, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, switch sides. And here we go, I got a good sweat going. Keep it up, 1. Pull back, pull back. I know it's tough. We're almost done. We got this. Just a few exercises left. Pick up the intensity in the last set. Don't be shy. Come on, move it. You can all go shower after this. Ready? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving right along. Side twist. Grab your band, whatever band you're using. Legs spread out so you get motion all the way through and pull. Boom. Let's go. As much as you can. All the power you got from that twist. Use that core. All the way up. 5 more, ready? Tie it up as you can. 1, 2, come on, work with me. 3, 4, 5, switch sides. Moving right along, no breaks. Cardio conditioning, go, go, come on. Almost there, guys, almost there. Ready? Let's count it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, and 5. All right, we're going to our single rows. Sticking with the purple band on this one. A little bit of a break as Paul gets ready. He gets a tendency to be a little clumsy. And let's go, single arm, boom. Pull up, pull up. I don't want you to stand up with it so much, but I want you to pull with that arm. And then help yourself out, you back a little bit. Pull, pull, hard, come on. Keep it up, keep it up, keep going with me. Ready, 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch sides, directly into it. Keep it up. Almost there, almost there, almost done. 5 more, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last exercise, I wanna make it tough. I wanna switch to the green band for this chest exercise. Do the best that we can on these punches. A little bit of a twist, bend behind me, both arms out, and then we punch, boom. Oh yeah, green is the way to go for me. Here we go. Push it, come on, be intense. Punch it all the way through and hold it, boom. Ready? Not yet. Ready? No, I'm just kidding. Almost there. Push, push. Last 6, ready? 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, and let go. And now you can breathe out. Guys, thank you for joining me today for this beginner conditioning. I guess it was a conditioning resistance band workout. This is Fit After 50. This is our basement. My name is Paul. Workouts, I should say, do come out every Monday and every Thursday for 6.5 years right now, a little bit more than that. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to grab your set of resistance bands if you start getting worn out. And I'll see you guys during your next workout.